Today's math problem is about a birthday and a vacation. So I went to the store to buy my friend a birthday card. Of course, I had to look at almost all of them before I found the perfect card. The card cost $5.29. Then, as I was waiting to check out, a travel magazine caught my eye and I started thinking about planning a vacation. So I picked up the magazine as well, and it was $3.05. I handed the cashier a $20 bill to pay for both, and I received $12.34 back in change. Did I receive the correct change back? Well, let's do the math to find out. The first thing I need to do is find the total cost of both the birthday card at $5.29 and the magazine at $3.05. Now, the most important thing to remember when adding decimal numbers is to make sure that the numbers are lined up by their place value. Let's use this place value chart here to help us do just that. As I said, the birthday card cost $5.29. The 5 is in the ones place, and the 2 is in the tenths place, and the 9 is in the hundredths place. Now we'll do the same place value lineup for $3.05. Can you see here that lining up the decimals by their place values also lines up their decimal points? That's important because when you add or subtract decimal numbers, the decimal point is always brought straight down. Now we are ready to add like we normally do. Starting in the hundredths place, 9 plus 5 is 14, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 0 is 3. Then we bring the decimal point straight down, and then add the 5 and 3 to get 8. So the total cost of the birthday card and the magazine is $8.34. Remember, I gave the cashier a $20 bill to pay for both, and I received $12.34 back in change. Was this amount correct? Let's check it out. I will begin the subtraction problem by lining up the decimal numbers by their place values so that the decimal points will also line up. I will start with the $20 and then the $8.34, making sure that those decimal points are lined up. Now we're ready to subtract. We'll start in the hundredths place by subtracting 0 minus 4. Well, that's not possible, so I will need to borrow, and the only non-zero digit is the 2 way over in the tens place. This 2 will become a 1. Then the 0 here will become a 10. But I need to keep borrowing, so this 10 will become a 9 to make this 0 become a 10. And I need to borrow one more time, so this 10 will also become a 9, making this last 0 become a 10. Now I can subtract 10 minus 4 to get 6, 9 minus 3 is 6, and then I'll bring the decimal point straight down, then 9 minus 8 is 1, and 1 minus nothing is 1. So it looks like the cashier gave me back too much money. Instead of giving me $12.34, I should have received $11.66 back. What mistake did the cashier make? You can leave your answer in the comments below. Well, I'm glad we were able to correct that mistake. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.